The truth? Okay, I'm going to give you the truth. Some of you are going to be successful, but some of you won't. Some of you have what it takes. Others, you don't. And a few of you are going to be so successful, it's like mind-blowing. You can't even comprehend it. You're going to be more successful than anyone you know, anyone I know. Like, you are absolutely going to crush it. And honestly, it gets me excited for you. But the truth is, some of you, unfortunately, are not going to realize your potential. But today, what I would like to do is share with you 6 signs that you, not me, you will be successful. Where you are right now today, it doesn't matter to me. What matters to me is that you possess the 6 characteristics, or you have the 6 abilities that we're going to talk about. Because the truth is, if you do, regardless of where you are or what you deem successful, you will achieve it, starting with number 1. You are a hard worker. You're not afraid to roll up your sleeves and get those hands dirty. If you ever truly want to be successful, you're going to have to work your ass off. This is just a fact, gentlemen. But if you're somebody who's like, nah, I'm just going to take this course or have this guru teach me how to do things, and then I'm going to make a lot of money, and all I got to do is take this course. Anybody who is selling you a lifestyle or showing you their lifestyle and, oh my God, look how amazing, look at my mansion that I'm renting. Gentlemen, anybody who's doing that is completely full of shit. You are the only one that is truly going to be able to determine whether or not you're going to be successful. But the only way that happens is if you are willing to work your ass off. The second sign that you're going to be successful is that you implement changes quickly. The world is full of people that could be potentially super successful, but they're sitting there and they're thinking and they're waiting and they're so worried about what other people are going to think about if they really try and if it doesn't work. And oh my God, what am I going to do then? They overplan, they overthink, they overworry, and ultimately it paralyzes them. Gentlemen, you've got to be willing to just jump. You've got to try. What's the worst thing that happened? You fuck it up, you fail. Oh, well, guess what? You try again, you learn something, you're smarter. Gentlemen, it is about implementing quickly. And if something doesn't work, be fast and smart enough to change directions and try again. Brace yourself. You ready? You're going to fail. Probably are. I did a bunch. You're probably going to fail a few times, but you've got to be willing to accept the fact that this is a reality. I am probably going to fail. I am going to F some things up, but I'm still willing to try. I'm still willing to execute. I'm still willing to implement quickly. The third sign that you will be undeniably successful is that you have a purpose. For me, I was one of the lucky ones. I knew from the age of 12 years old what my purpose was in life, and that was to help people. Now, my method of helping people has changed as I've had failures and successes, but the deal is I knew what it was, and as long as I maintain my purpose, I'll be successful, gentlemen. It's about identifying your purpose. Now, a lot of you are like, yo, I just don't know yet. I'm not sure. I think I like this. I might want to do that. Guys, it is critical for you to identify this purpose. Because until you do, until you know what that North Star is, you're going to just be wandering around. Guys, there is a class you need to take for free. It is linked below. It is over on today's video sponsor, Skillshare. Guys, the course is by Emma Gannon, and it's called Discovering Success, 7 Exercises to Uncover Your Purpose, Your Passion, and Path. Free. Emma's class is free right now for the first 1,000 of you amazing Alpha M subscribers who just dropped one of these. I'm kidding, that's actually not in the talking points. For the first 1,000 of you, that was just a bonus to make me feel good, gentlemen, but Skillshare is going to make each and every one of you feel good if you hit that link down below. Guys, here's the offer. Right now, for the first 1,000 of you who hit our link, Alpha M subscribers, Skillshare is going to give you a 2-month trial membership of premium Skillshare so you can explore your creativity. Skillshare is the best, bottom line. They're an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for creative people, right? I am a very creative person, and so that is why I love Skillshare so much. Not only do they have classes in like entrepreneurship and marketing, but they also have classes in like creative writing, photography, film, music production. Guys, the list goes on and on. You are absolutely going to love Skillshare. And like I said, right now, guys, they're giving you a 2-month free trial of the premium membership. Now, premium membership normally is like less than $10 a month, and that is for unlimited learning, unlimited knowledge, unlimited incredibleness. Guys, I am telling you, if you have not taken Emma's class, now is the time. And if you've already taken Emma's class, guys, and you kind of have an idea of what you want to do, there's another class that you need to take. It's by Guy Kawasaki and called The Art of Start, turning ideas into high-growth businesses. This course is amazing. If you are somebody who has an idea and you're ready to take it to that next level, Guy's class is ridiculous. Guys, right now, like I said, you can grab all of this amazingness for free. 2 months, premium Skillshare free for the first 1,000 Alpha M subscribers that hit our special link down below. Regular price, like I said, is less than $10 a month, but Skillshare, you're the best. Thank you so much for being so incredible in helping guys like me feel better and succeed at life. You know how earlier in the video I'm like, successful people, boom, they act, they don't wait and think about it, and maybe I'm gonna click that. Gentlemen, click the link, hit it, grab it today, because the deal is only 1,000 of you are gonna grab it. The fourth sign that you will be successful is that you understand that your time is valuable. Successful people understand the value of time, and so they know that, yo, if I gotta work 9-to-5 job, okay, but when I'm off the clock, I'm gonna use this time to better myself. Whether or not this is exercising, whether or not this is reading or learning or taking a Skillshare class, whatever it is, successful people understand the value of time. The beautiful thing is that we all have the same amount of time in a day, 24 hours. You don't get more than I do. I don't get more than you. Your weird Uncle Barry, he doesn't get any less. Gentlemen, we all have the same 24 hours in a day, but how you spend those hours and how you capitalize on them, this is going to be the difference between you being successful and unsuccessful. The fifth sign that you will be successful is that you don't buy things to impress other people. There are so many people that I see that are buying things just to sort of impress other people. Posting pictures on Instagram or Facebook or whatever, be like, yo, check out my Porsche. Whoa, check it out. I got these new kicks. Look at my jeans. Oh my God, I'm wearing Supreme. Gentlemen, here's the thing. The problem with buying things is that it's seductive, right? Momentarily, when you spend money, you get a boom. You feel good. It's like an endorphin rush, right? But then very quickly after that, it kind of comes down and it goes away. And then you're like, damn, why did I spend so much damn money on a car? Why did I buy this watch? Gentlemen, it is about getting it in check. There is nobody in this world that you need to impress other than me. And I'm easy. All I require are those. What? Exactly. Did I just ask for 3 thumbs up in this video? Gentlemen, I'm desperate. I need all your help. Also, that notification bell, is it ringing? Is it ringing? It's true. Successful people have the notification bell turned on and ringing because they are then going to successfully get all my videos, which is important for you kicking ass and being amazing. Gentlemen, last, but certainly not least, the sixth and final sign that you are going to be successful is you have the ability to stay focused. When things are exciting, when they're fresh, when they're new, it's easy, right? You're like, yeah, this is awesome. I can't wait to do it, right? But then as you start to get into things, sometimes it's like, oh God, this is kind of a drag. Same thing happens with relationships. Guys, if you want to be successful, whether or not it's in your career, your job, which is your career, relationship, friendship, whatever it is, you've got to be willing to put in the time, put in the energy, put in the work, even when it's not super new, super fun, super exciting. And the people that are truly going to be successful have the ability to stay laser focused even when it's not fun. So what do you think, gentlemen? You going to be successful? Do you have what it takes? Was I talking about you in this video? If the answer is yes, congratulations. You are about to crush it. And regardless of where you are right now, I know that you have big things in store. I believe in you, I love you, and I think you're incredible.